Hi, I'm Barry Thackeray. I'm a pyromaniac. I'm always fascinated with blowing things up. So this is the perfect show. We'll be using a lot of gas, a few explosives, and some flame. For this next experiment, I think we'll be using a rocket and maybe some gas. Because, well, when you watch the movies and you see things blowing up, like in Rambo and well, crazy shit like that, we always see miniatures. We're going to do this in miniature because it's a lot safer. Remember, be safe. Well, basically we wanted to fire a balloon with a rocket. So we've got gas inside the balloon and a rocket on a string.
And how do you think it went?
It didn't work very well.
As you can see in the video just now, it kind of hits the balloon, but then there's a slight delay as it hits the balloon and then it explodes. I mean, the aim that we were looking for was to hit the balloon and then explode.
Well, I had some gas in the balloon and I thought that it would pierce the balloon and the expulsion.
It would ignite.
Yeah, thought it would actually ignite the flame and then explode, but yeah, it didn't work.
So this one here is the blowtorch with the gas-filled balloons.
Well, obviously it's just gas in a balloon and we're going to light it with a blowtorch.
Yeah, but if you actually look at it in slow motion, as the flame ignites, you'll see, you pause it right here, you'll see that the flame actually ignites your hand as well.
Oh yeah, that's right.
How was that? Did you feel it?
I did actually, but I'm not slow because I'm really, really slow. I'm so slow.
He's in slow motion.
I am slow, so slow, that I didn't realise until it actually happened.
Well, that didn't go quite the way we wanted it to go, but it was still pretty cool and effective in slow motion. Well, stay tuned because we've got more stuff coming up for you. You ever wanted to see a cake explode? We've got that coming right up soon. Stay tuned.
Coming up in the next video, it's birthday time. You don't want to miss it.